Introduction. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, where we bring you the best resources to help you learn new skills and develop yourself. If you're someone who is always eager to improve yourself and acquire new knowledge, you've come to the right place. About us. Our channel is all about providing you with the guidance and resources you need to master different skills. Whether you're interested in cooking, gardening, painting, or coding, we've got you covered. We strongly believe that with the right approach and support, anyone can learn anything they put their mind to. That's why we're committed to providing quality educational content that is easy to understand and follow. Our content. Every week, we'll be releasing new videos that focus on different skills, and we'll walk you through the process step by step. We'll provide helpful tips, tricks, and techniques that will help you understand the concepts and make progress. Our content is beginner-friendly, so even if you have no prior experience in the skill you want to learn, you'll be able to follow along and start building your skills. Our mission. We are passionate about empowering people to take control of their learning journey and achieve their goals. We believe that knowledge is power, and that everyone has the potential to learn new skills and develop themselves. Our mission is to create a community of learners who are eager to grow and improve themselves every day. Conclusion. So, if you're ready to start learning and developing new skills, hit the subscribe button and join our community of learners today. We can't wait to go on this journey with you and see all the amazing things you will achieve. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.